When we look at our healthcare organizations right now, we know that about half of our physicians and about a quarter of our nurses say that they are burned out. Yet gratitude actually reverses emotional exhaustion. It decreases burnout. It increases resilience. It increases joy and purpose in work. When we care for our caregivers, in turn, we see that our patients have better clinical outcomes, better patient experience, better patient safety. When we look at how gratitude works, it's also a relationship building fiber. It connects people to us in a meaningful way, and that increases patient loyalty, patient advocacy, and patient connection with our institutions. It also increases people's likelihood to refer and return to our organizations. What you also know is that gratitude is the linchpin of philanthropic giving. We know that gratitude is the strongest determinant of whether someone would want to give to our healthcare organizations or not. At a time when Moody's Investors Service issued a statement in August of this year saying that healthcare had the lowest operating margins in history, that the financial path of healthcare is currently unsustainable, we know that the power of our donors is more important than ever before. And so with that, I would encourage you to take the bold move of stepping in the gap. Show your executive leadership how gratitude can transform healthcare. It can be a powerful catalyst beyond its wonderful role in philanthropy.